Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a LinkedIn company page or business page. So now let's get started.
So today we'll discuss about how to create a LinkedIn page. Yes. So as you already know, without a page, we cannot advertise on any platform. So yes, we have seen how to create a page in Facebook also. Now we're gonna see how to create a page in LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is the top and most best platform to use in order to advertise, in order to reach out audience. So now I'm going to show you how to create a LinkedIn page. So first of all, you should have a LinkedIn account. So make sure that you have a LinkedIn account and click on this dial pad option, work over here, drop down, scroll down again. Here you can see a create a company page, right? So create a LinkedIn page. So define what's your business. So whether it is a small business, medium, or showcasing kind of any pages, or it's an educational institution. So what it is all about. So I'll go with a small business, depends on your business. So give a name for your business. Okay. This page already exists in order to become an admin. So I'll go with a page. And this is like a username. Can you say linkedin.com/company primary source? This is a username. Same like on a Facebook, we have a username, right? So here it is a username. So give the website URL. So what happens with the Facebook? So even though you don't have a website, also you can create a page. But here in LinkedIn, so you should have a website. So if you don't have a website, you can't create the page. So website is mandatory. Then company details. So select the industry, under which industry or category or website comes. Okay. Okay. And company size. Select the company size. Company type, public company, self-employed, non-profit. Okay. Logo. So give your logo. Choose the logo, or you can call it as a profile picture also. Okay. Then give a tagline. So I verified that I am an authorized representative of this organization and have the right to act on its behalf in the creative. So you just need to accept it, then create a page. So done. So now I have successfully created a page. Got it? So what you have to do, have a create, upload one cover picture and give some details like, so go to settings and the tools, if find out email address, enter the email address, edit the username and all you can just edit. Okay.